How to draw wrench, libreCAD. Activate free snap, snap on endpoints. Snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Select horizontal line. Type length, 5. Left-click to put the line. Select vertical line. Type length, 5. Left-click to put the line. Create circle, select center point. Left-click, put the center of the circle here. Go to command line form. Type radius, 10. Press enter. Create a circle again. Left-click to put the line here. Type radius, 10 and press enter. Create line. Go to line tool, select 2 points. Left-click to put the line. Right-click on your mouse to escape. Now, select parallel tool. Type distance, 4, number, 1. Left-click near this line to create a parallel line. Create again the line under the triangle. Select and delete this triangle. Select Trim tool to extend our lines. Left-click to select this circle, it will be a line boundary. And click the lines to extend. Left-click to select this another circle and extend both lines again. Select Tool Divide. Left-click this circle and left-click to the cutting point. Repeat again, left-click to select the circle. And left-click to apply the cutting point. Now select unnecessary lines and delete. Select Fillet tool. Type radius, 2. Left-click at this line, and left-click at another line. Repeat again, select Fillet, type radius, 1. Left-click at this line and left-click to another line. Select horizontal to create a horizontal line. Type length, 75. Select snap point, start. Left-click here to put the line. Select parallel. Insert distance, 4. Left-click near the line to create a parallel line. Select Divide tool. Left-click to select this circle line, and left-click to cutting point. Now, select unnecessary lines and delete. Select Fillet tool. Type radius, 3. Left-click the line and the second line. Select this shape. Block from left to right. Select Mirror tool. Now select the mirror line. It is the center of this line. Use Restrict Vertical to help create a straight line. Left-click, select Keep Original to mirror the shape. Click OK. Select the shape again and select Mirror tool. Unmark Restrict Vertical. Left-click here to create mirror line. Use Restrict Horizontal to help. Left-click and select Keep Delete Original. Repair this line. Select Rectangle tool. UPS, unmark Restrict Horizontal before. Now, left-click to create a rectangle. Type at 55 rectangle dimension, press Enter. Select Fillet. Type radius, 1.5. Left-click this line and another one. Select 2 points, create a helping line. Select this shape to move. Select Move tool. Use the center of helping lines to put this shape. Left-click to put the shape. Select Delete Original, Click OK. Now delete the helping lines. Select Text tool to create text. Type height 2 and select font ISO. Type our text in the text form. Click OK. Left click to put the text.